Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago with 35mm reversal film. This is a rental studio which I shared studio for a long time ago when I started business. Well, this is my subject today, and also I have this pencil drawing type of image by Adobe Photoshop used filter called Find Edges, but I don't see much find edge of the image, Well, but I try to make some kind of illustration type of image with these two images. Now, well, let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna check this pencil drawing type of image, changing blend mode. Now it's normal to, well, go darker, linear burn. This is pretty nice. Edge and color wise, some yellowish warm tone, linear burn, color burn. Yeah, linear burn makes kind of yellow, warm, nice tone. Let me check the others. Overlay. This is pretty nice too. Feel like some morning coffee is alright. Nice feeling, huh? Yeah, I like this. Soft light, hard light, luminosity. Well, I don't know if you guys can see this real shadow color of that blue or magenta-ish. Nice light purple type image color. I like this color too. Some yellowish color on her hat and tablecloth. That's nice. Well, I can get this image fixed and double the colors. Yeah, let's try to do that. And also the overlay image. Okay, first of all, let's go from here. Select both, make group, then duplicate this group, then flatten this image. Then again, I'm gonna duplicate this image, double, then change blend mode. One of the top, change blend mode normal to multiply. It goes a little bit more darker. Of course, the find edge result is also darkened, more grainier and stuff, Well, that's alright. I'm gonna merge down to get one luminosity effect layer, this one. So I'm gonna rename. Okay, luminosity effect layer. Now it's normal, 100%. Then turn it off right now and go back to this group. I'm gonna change pencil drawing type image, blend mode to overlay. Now this time tone down about 60. Very nice. Or linear burn. Well, this is kind of dark image, so rather than that, I like this light image, morning cafe image. Yeah. Okay, let's just try this group. This is the way it is as a base image. Now let's see this luminosity effect layer. Turn on. Let's check. Change in blend mode. Linear burn. Well, this time it's kind of interesting effect, More warm color burns, less grain. Yeah, I think pretty interesting. Linear burn. Maybe this color burn. I think it's kind of nice effect. This is pretty nice, I think. Okay, I want to fix this image as a base. So open up this group, then select all the layers and make group. Then duplicate this image, then flatten this all the layers. Now we got one image of this. Okay, now I want to duplicate because I want to try to smudge, take out these grains and stuff. Yeah, let me try on this smudge. These are now same, but I'm gonna smudge this image using that drawing to evolve. Take these, yeah, smudge grains out. It's gonna take a little while. What I can do, not just take it out, I'm gonna smudge this image. Let's see. We're almost done for smudging. Let's see overall image now. Okay, well, let's see, we have, okay, this is a smudged base image. All the layers are combined together, one layer. Now I want to remove this pencil drawing type image. Move up all the way top, then change blend mode. This is overlay now. Change overlay to darken. I'm going to turn all the images off without this base image. Then this is the pencil drawing, drawing layer, change blend mode to darken. 2 layers now. I'm going to duplicate this pencil drawing type image. Then top of the pencil drawing type image, I'm going to change this blend mode to normal. Then I'm going to mask, reveal this mask to show this base image. Let's look for brush. I used Bonobo chalk last time. Mask this image to get the base colors, base image. Okay, I'm gonna mask Bonobo chalk texture overall. This kind of grain, well, chalk texture. I mask it with Bonobo chalk. Now I want to add color. I'm going to add color layer on between these pencil drawing type image. Add layer. Then use Bonobo chalk, same. Then let's see, some more saturated color. Paint on this flowers on top of the table. Carnation something. Okay, now we got the texture of the Bonobo chalk. Now I'm going to add one more layer on top. Then white color, then I'm gonna fill layer with white. Then make mask. Now I'm going to reveal this mask with where it goes. Murilla. This is do one last. Okay, from here, now I'm gonna add some, this is mask of the white area, and this is color, right? Color, let me see, not much on color. Let me move this one on top of this layer over this. Doesn't show much different, huh? Okay, I'm gonna add some more color on this layer with Lenovo chalk. Some color cast. I like here. Really nice. Yeah, I feel like some kind of watercolor type feeling, huh? That's nice. Yeah, I guess this is pretty nice. I like it. Light color. What do you guys think? Well, I guess that's it for today. I kind of like this light image. Well, thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is going to give you some kind of idea for your creative work, and enjoy creating some image. Yeah, thank you, and I really appreciate for you guys' support, and you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.